Okay, here's to another trip. We are heading to 11 Mile for our Labor Day weekend. Maybe get some cooler water, air, all those above.
Okay. Go. Keep coming. Keep coming. Hit it. Good. Good. So, sometimes if we get into a spot that has too big of a dip between trailer and Jeep, we gotta park it on something. Traction boards came in handy this time. Sometimes we use rocks, but we needed to get the tongue higher off the ground so we can get the
Look how close that to level that is now.
landing gear here, whatever it's called, down.
How close it is to level.
And yeah, it wasn't real level before. We thought we were gonna have, if we got the wheel down to jack up the front, we were gonna have to jack it really high. But now it's pretty close to level. We're not gonna have to jack it much at all. So, all right, let's put it up. So a good thing about the scuttle, it's my favorite thing to clean because you really get the scraps out of it, and then throw some water and turn it on, get the water to a boil, and then brush away, and then quick little swipe with a brush, everything out, turn off the heat. I forgot to mention the heater, it was on boiling, and then little paper towel action. It's cast iron, so no need to use soap. It is seasoned, ready to go, performs excellent, and ready for the next meal. Good morning.
Morning.
We are still at 11 Mile.
Day 2.
Day 2 of 3. And just going down to see this really cool view I found with the dogs yesterday out walking. Weather's beautiful. The place is empty. We're at the state park. It was full day before yesterday when we got here, and everyone left after Labor Day, which was pretty much as planned for us because we don't like huge crowds, but it's just super nice, peaceful here. I mean, I think there's maybe 3 people in this upper loop total.
Yeah, something like that.
We're gonna go up and check out this view. We got Cat Stevens with us. I'll give you a shot of him. But I wanted to bring Carrie up here because she's not been up here. So lead the way, Cat. Up you go. Come on.
Come up here. Oh yeah. Nice view.
That's cool, huh? You can see a long ways.
Trying to balance.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah, he almost went on the side, see? You can't just let him go.
Shooting his leash. Yeah, like I said, pretty empty, and this was full 2 days ago for the holiday. Nice now.
No.
Did you guard the camp? Yeah. Okay, you guys are gonna turn. Come on. Come on. Well, hey, good morning.
Good morning.
It is morning number 2 out of 3, and it is now quiet. Yesterday it was not. Yesterday was Labor Day, and this place was packed. And
So we didn't do much filming.
no,
We had some explicit vocabulary and going-ons
explicit neighbors. So
on
we couldn't
both
really
sides of us.
film because it would probably be just one giant beep.
Yeah.
Too much for my editing skills. So we did some time lapses of her cooking, which should turn out great.
It was good.
Oh,
It was good.
We ate well. The weather is beautiful. We just kind of took it easy and waited. We were here last year, same time. Got here on a Sunday before Labor Day, and everyone left on Labor Day. So Tuesday morning, which is now, is blissfully quiet. And
Yeah, it's great.
I'll just pan around here. Gorgeous day. Summer is not over. Haven't seen our deer family. We've seen deer every day coming across that field, heading down to the lake to get water, I assume. But, we only have one neighbor, and they're camped in a tent back in the woods there. So the dogs have been ran. We took Cat for a little hike, and Carrie's gonna start cooking. We also we gotta turn the generator on because we're gonna run Starlink so we can watch the Vuelta a España, which is the Tour of Spain, which we've been watching the last 2 weeks. So we're gonna turn that on live, watch the race, cook some food, and plan the rest of the day. Oh, and I can't wait for later. You'll see.
Well, we just spent the last 3 nights at 11 Mile. It was beautiful again. Had a little weather one night, not too bad, no big deal. But I think the sun was the culprit on we're exhausted. Even the dogs are exhausted. So not much cooler than it is